Okay, check this out. I had someone ask me for this feature in high level. Basically, what you can do is you can make it so that whenever you have a field in a website, basically any link in a contact custom field, you can add this button here that opens it in a new tab. So we can see it works on any field. So I have this booking link, which normally has something, but I just have a test in here. And if we open it up, this isn't a real website. But as soon as this link is added, it'll add this button, and then you can just open it in a new tab. Super useful. The guy who asked me about it is using it for Zillow, so he has their Zillow link in there, but he's getting tired of select all. I'm not sure he uses the Command C shortcut, so he's right clicking, copy, and it's just slow. With this button, it just opens instantly in a new tab, so it's not overriding your current tab. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. I made this little page here for some documentation just to show you how it works and how to install it. Basically, there's some demos here, and then this is the script, so you can just hit copy up here in the top right, and it'll copy this whole script. And then if you want to change the colors out, I recommend just using Tailwind. So you can click on this page, it'll show you the Tailwind colors. So we might go for, let's go Indigo 600. So you can see this is Indigo 600. And all you would do is you would change out the button.class name with Indigo 600 right there. So you would just paste the script in and then change this out. And the way you install it is, if I copy this again, we would just go to our, basically you need to make sure you're in the agency view. You can only do this as an agency. So you would go to settings and then company and then white label and then scroll down into custom JS, and I do select A or Command A to select all, and then just Command V to paste, and everything goes in there. And it might have the save changes grayed out. In that case, you just press space, and it'll make this able to be pressed. You just hit save and proceed. Don't worry about it. I'm not hacking you. And then that will add the code, and it shows up basically instantly. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. Hopefully you enjoy, and don't forget to check out more of the stuff on my website, like my apps and my upcoming apps, if you click here. And for some reason, this website isn't pre-rendered, so some of the pages can take a while to load. But if we go to in development, I have a new app that I'm working on that I really want to get feedback on, and yeah, I'm curious to hear what you think about this as well. So anyways, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.